I am going to take the electric bike out and do some warm-up drills. I'm the only one here, so I can sort of do anything I want without putting anyone else at risk. So I am going to try a little track drill that I set up. I'm sure I put the cone in the wrong place. I need to do a few laps to get the tires warm. They are not warm at all. Anyway, Euban is on his way, so I will not be the only bike out here. I am just the only bike out here right now. Okay, so this is the drill, but I'm not sure I put the cone in the right place. So the idea is to come in, do a circle around the cone, and then back around. The cone is also way out wide. I didn't know how much space I would need to do this. The idea is to make it as tight as possible, but I'm just getting started. I don't know what I'm doing. So there's the corner over there, turn 4. Tightest corner on the track. This bike is very squishy, the rear shock. I did clear the track off with a blower. And I got a lot of the rubber debris out of the corner. There was a kart race yesterday. So there's just a lot of track use. So I started by cleaning off the stones and the dirt and the other stuff that was there. Now if I could go around the cone, elbow down, do a full 360, that'd be great, but I want to move this right about here. I think that's about right. Okay, let's see. Where's my foot peg? I don't know where my foot peg is. I can't ride without my foot on a foot peg. And my butt is not far enough forward. I was thinking maybe I should put this in mode 2 to save the battery. Whoa, I almost fell over. This is a very tiny bike. It's electric. And when I leaned it way over, it really slowed down a lot. It felt like I put the brake on, and then it's like, I don't know where I'm going. I didn't drag pegs or anything. Okay, let's see if I got the space to do this. Ah, that's really hard to do. I'm not turning my head far enough. That's why you practice. Boy, I am struggling to operate the throttle. Struggle City. Boy, that is hard to operate the throttle. Ah, that's so hard. I'll try it on the Grom next time, but it's really going to be hard on the Grom. I'd have a clutch to deal with. The front brake here doesn't have much power going in there. This little caliper seems to stop it okay, but the master cylinder, I can't keep the foot on the peg and do it. I've got to figure out the foot controls.